I am not the biggest friend of Christmas songs, but you asked me to sing one with you. Winter is coming, white snowmen everywhere, but hopefully no white walkers. Wow, what a funny, funny reference. But even if I'm not the biggest fan, and even if I can't wait for spring, I have to admit that Christmas is actually a lovely time. Christmas time, oh Christmas time, it's when everyone is home and no one should be alone. Christmas time, oh Christmas time, we see family and old friends, we sing and